Hey guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the OE seat cover from Fiat. This is a custom fit, standard tweed style seat cover, and you're gonna get that same water resistance that a lot of them have, where if you spill something on it, you really don't have to worry too much about it. Just make sure you hand wash it and drip dry. Another thing to point out about this seat cover is you do have some extra padding for comfort and support, which is always nice. Another thing is this is gonna keep you warm during the winter and cool during the summer, so no worries there. The last thing to point out is depending on your application, you're also going to have provisions for the airbag, just like on this particular installation. Overall, we would rate this installation 3 out of 10, and it's going to take you about an hour. Really not all that difficult, and your time comes in doing the front and the back seats. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the OE seat cover from Fiat. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description for a product description and part number, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the installation or the purchase of this product. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you loved it, click the bell icon so you don't miss notifications when we post new videos. Again, thanks so much for watching. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.